Hello friends, welcome to my channel LahariLectures. In this video, we can watch notes on types of queues. There are 4 types of queues: simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, T queue, that is also known as double-ended queue. First, let us see what is simple queue. Queue is a linear data structure. It stores the data elements in FIFO, first in, first out. The elements are inserted and deleted at different positions. NQ is also known as rear. DQ is also known as the front. Second one, circular queue. Circular queue is a linear data structure in which the operations are performed based on FIFO, first in, first out principle. In a circular queue, all nodes are treated as circular. Last node is connected back to the first node. Circular queue is also called as ring buffer. Third one, priority queue. In this queue, the NQ operation takes place at the rear in the order of arrival of the items, while the DQ operation takes place at the front based on the priority of the items. An element with the highest priority will be DQ before an element with a low priority. There are 2 types of priority queue. First one, ascending order priority queue. A lower priority number is given as a higher priority in a priority. For example, we take the numbers from 1 to 5, arranging in an ascending order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the smallest number, that is 1, is given as the highest priority in a priority queue. Here we can see some elements 2, 6, 7, 10, 11. Here 2 element with the highest priority. 11th digit is the element with the lowest priority. Second one, descending order priority queue. A higher priority number is given as a higher priority in a priority. For example, we take the numbers from 1 to 5 arranged in descending order like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The largest number, that is 5, is given as the highest priority in a priority queue. Here we can see some elements 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 arranged in a descending order. 10 element with the highest priority, 6 element with the lowest priority. Fourth one, DQ, double-ended queue. Double-ended queue allows insertion and deletion from both the ends. That is, elements can be added or removed from rear as well as front end. There are 2 variations in the DQ. First one, input restriction DQ. Second one, output restriction DQ. First one, input restricted DQ. In input restricted double-ended queue, the insertion operation is performed at only one end and deletion operation is performed at both the ends. Here we can see inserted and delete operation is done at only front end and only delete operation is done at only the rear end. Second one, output restricted DQ. In output restricted double-ended queue, the delete operation is performed at only one end and insertion operation is performed at both the ends. Here insertion operation is done at only one end, that is front end, and insert and delete operation is performed at both, that is known as a rear end. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.